Welcome to Raising Your Standards, Innovations in Accreditation Management with ARMATURE Fabric, the podcast where we explore the exciting world of accreditation and how cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the way organizations manage it. I'm Andrew Bryden, and I'll be your guide on this journey. Together, we'll dive deep into the challenges, solutions, and success stories that make accreditation management more efficient and effective than ever before. This podcast is brought to you by Armature, the creators of ARMATURE Fabric, the game-changing accreditation management software trusted by accreditation leaders around the world. In each episode, I'll share insights from technology leaders and industry experts who are at the forefront of accreditation management to help you navigate this key area of your organization. So whether you're a seasoned accreditation professional or just starting your journey, get ready to discover new strategies, best practices, and the latest trends that will take your accreditation management to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Let's get started. Hello, today we are going to be discussing getting ready for your site visit. One of the few things we all want more of but are incapable of truly obtaining is time. We can't add more hours to the day, and we can't slow down how fast the day seems to go by. The best we can do is make the most efficient use of the time we have by doing things faster, smarter. It's with this context in mind that we developed our industry-leading accreditation management software, ARMATURE Fabric. We know that our customers spend a great deal of time managing accreditation applications, coordinating site visits, reviewing documentation, preparing for board meetings, while simultaneously answering a broad range of questions from internal and external stakeholders. That's a lot to manage, and it's why we've spent the best part of 2 decades developing a solution to help ease this burden by making data collection and processes more effective and efficient. Most of our customers conduct site visits as part of their accreditation process. This usually follows some kind of self-study that has already been completed, either for accreditation or for re-accreditation. Site visits are typically conducted by an internal or external reviewer, auditor, inspector, or surveyor. During the site visit, reviewers aim to collect essential information regarding a program's compliance with applicable standards relating to its educational and administrative activities, for example. Particular focus is given to areas of non-conformance or points that require clarification that have been identified within a self-study. ARMATURE Fabric shows reviewers exactly what they need to see, including all of their action items. The entire site visit process, along with applicable data collection instruments, can be configured within the system easily, and ARMATURE Fabric allows them to access the details of an institution's self-study, as well as other historical data, so they can prepare for their site visit ahead of time. Information is easy to find within the system and enables reviewers to identify areas of non-conformance quickly. Let's talk about building a site visit team. One of the critical components of building a site visit team is matching the reviewers who are best qualified to conduct a site visit. You may want to select your reviewers based on specific skills, competencies, or specialties. You may want to select them based on their geographic proximity to the entity to be reviewed, or you may simply wish to select them based on their availability, or a combination of all of the above. ARMATURE Fabric allows you to define exactly the criteria you want to use to compile your team and capture it within the system. This gives you the flexibility to choose the most appropriate reviewer, coordinate scheduling, and ensure they have access to the right data and tools to complete an efficient and effective site visit. When your reviewers are on site, they will be able to complete an online site visit report, which will typically be used by board committees for accreditation decision-making. This report will include ratings against applicable criteria, the ability to flag specific issues, as well as the ability to make comments. If more than one reviewer is conducting the site visit, they too will have access to the same report and can all make comments within the system. Reviewers can capture notes from interviews, descriptions of non-conformances, and make recommendations. Reviewers can also upload any supporting evidence in the form of documents, photographs, and videos. And the output is a summarized report that is fit to be passed to your board committee for review. Armature Fabric allows accreditors to configure their end-to-end accreditation processes and data collection tools easily due to its intuitive interface. Users don't have to be technical, and the Armature team can be available to support you as required. By automating the processes around site visits, your staff can not only save significant time, but can allocate the most qualified reviewers, give them access to timely information, and enable them to create site visit reports that summarize all the critical information in one place. Armature has been serving accreditation customers for 20 years. In that time, we've learned that accreditation management software can only be effective if all parties feel empowered to use it. That's why we focus on designing features that are both powerful and easy to use. When staff and external users share a platform, it helps them to be more organized, save time, and leads to a high level of success. If you'd like to learn more, please visit www.armaturecorp.com and be sure to visit our Learning Center. Thanks for listening.
And that's a wrap for this episode of Raising Your Standards, Innovations in Accreditation Management with Armature Fabric. I hope you found today's insights valuable and that you're inspired to explore new ways to excel in accreditation management. Be sure to visit Armature at armaturecorp.com to learn more about Armature Fabric and how it can transform your accreditation process. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider leaving a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your feedback helps me bring you the content you love. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you have questions, comments, or ideas for future episodes, reach out to me on social media or through our website. Thanks for joining me on this journey of innovation in accreditation management. Until next time, keep working to raise your standards.